Cybercore by Albica redefines the way we charge and store VR devices, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design. This next-gen VR charging dock brings unparalleled fast charging, delivering up to 120 watts of power to all your VR equipment. As a global leader in VR charging, Cybercore ensures that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently, so you're always ready for the virtual world. Beyond its impressive power capabilities, the Cybercore offers a creative solution for organizing your VR setup. Life moves fast, and your floors should stay clean without lifting a finger. The Robo Q5 Max Plus redefines convenience with its self-empty dock, letting you forget about dustbins for up to 7 weeks. With an upgraded 5,500 Pascal suction, this robot doesn't just sweep. It digs deep, pulling dirt from carpet fibers and floorboard cracks with ease. Equipped with a duo roller brush, it minimizes tangles and maximizes dirt pickup, making pet hair cleanup a breeze. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixl, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixl isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. Precision meets performance with the Fantic Solo Aura H10 Apex hair dryer, engineered for fast, efficient drying without compromise. Its cutting-edge 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor delivers a forceful 65 meters per second airflow, cutting drying time by up to 80%. Designed with user comfort in mind, the H10 Apex weighs just 0.74 pounds, significantly reducing arm fatigue even during extended styling sessions. Tiny Repel rechargeable Mosquito Repeller is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide a practical solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay during outdoor activities. With its efficient 329-degree Fahrenheit heating technology, this mini repeller creates a 30-foot protection zone, ensuring you stay comfortable in your outdoor space. Its rechargeable feature makes it ideal for long trips, offering convenience and reliability without the need for constant battery replacements. The Hybrid M chair is designed to transform your seating experience into something extraordinary, combining relaxation and productivity in one sleek package. Perfect for gamers and professionals, this chair offers a revolutionary solution to alleviate the aches and strains caused by extended sitting sessions. Incorporating a built-in massage module, the Hybrid M brings immediate comfort with its innovative design. No cords, no limitations, just pure freedom to enjoy a personalized massage experience anytime, anywhere. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the Lounge Workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the Lounge Workspace provides 2 adjustable recline options, semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. Maintenance meets modern performance with this compact 18-volt cordless pool vacuum engineered for reliable daily use. Built for pools, spas, and hot tubs, this vacuum delivers up to 13 gallons per minute of suction, capturing sand, leaves, and fine debris with ease. Its wide inlet clears larger debris from corners and tight spaces, while the clear floor head makes it easy to monitor what's collected, and it's removable for deeper access when needed. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. The Yabber Pico T1 mini projector is a breakthrough in portability and performance. Developed over 3 years by Yabber's R&D team, this compact device is designed for effortless travel. Its built-in power bank ensures you can enjoy your content anywhere, even without access to an external power source. Equipped with advanced DLP technology, the Pico T1 delivers impressive brightness with 110 ANSI lumens, double the brightness of typical mini projectors. No need to guess when your plants need water. Leafy Pod does the thinking for you. This intelligent plant care system harnesses AI-powered smart watering to precisely deliver the right amount of hydration at the right time. Say goodbye to overwatering or parched roots. Leafy Pod continuously monitors soil moisture, light intensity, temperature, and humidity in real time, adapting to your plant's evolving environment. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Mufi offers a unique and innovative way to craft essential oils and infused oils at home, making DIY projects simpler and more accessible. This advanced device lets you effortlessly extract essential oils using flowers, spices, and water. With a single press of a button, you can start your oil-making process and let the device handle the rest. The smart machine's core technology utilizes precise temperature control and a built-in circulating coil system that ensures optimal extraction of flavors and essences. The Obsot Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. Built to meet the highest standards of everyday durability, this bottle isn't just a container. It's an engineered shield for your drinks. Crafted from 316 stainless steel, the S+ Pure Thermos keeps content secure, fresh, and at the ideal temperature for hours. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or tackling rugged trails, its rugged, corrosion-resistant body stands up to constant use in harsh conditions without leaching any flavor or harmful residue. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. In a world where digital convenience meets the timeless charm of pen on paper, the Neui Sync Pen 4 steps in as a bridge between both. This smart pen writes on paper just like a traditional pen, yet instantly transfers your words and sketches to your device through the new IE's app. It captures every stroke in real time and records your creative flow as it unfolds, preserving both the end result and the thought process behind it. The Sync Pen 4 transforms your handwriting into editable digital text using OCR, supporting 73 languages. Sound and motion meet in the compact brilliance of the Asus A1. This wireless speaker doesn't just play music, it brings every beat to life. Featuring a cutting-edge mini LED transparent display, the A1 visualizes lyrics in real time, turning your favorite songs into immersive visual performances. 3 high-fidelity sound units deliver rich, room-filling audio with crisp highs, deep lows, and everything in between. The Naritva 20-in-1 bread maker offers a seamless baking experience, designed to bring both convenience and creativity into your kitchen. With 20 customizable programs, you can bake everything from basic white bread to gluten-free, cake, pizza dough, and even yogurt. It has a large 2-pound loaf capacity, perfect for serving families or guests. This machine allows you to select from 3 crust color options: light, medium, and dark, ensuring your bread is baked just the way you like it. The Selfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. Tucked into any workspace with ease, this compact cutting machine brings professional-level creativity to your fingertips without demanding a large footprint. With its ability to handle over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, it's the perfect tool for crafting everything from custom decals to greeting cards and labels. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp, detailed cuts and intricate patterns that rival larger machines. Elevate your workspace and entertainment with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. With its slim profile and modern aesthetics, this monitor not only enhances your setup but also provides unmatched versatility for both work and play. Featuring a built-in IoT hub, it seamlessly integrates with your smart home devices, ensuring a more connected experience. Stream 4K HDR content directly from native apps, immersing yourself in rich, vibrant visuals. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Banala Focus Dot offers a revolutionary approach to mental clarity and productivity. By utilizing advanced isochronic sound technology, this device helps to sharpen focus, boost concentration, and unlock your potential. Its powerful sound frequencies work seamlessly to enhance cognitive function, ensuring you remain in a highly productive state for longer periods. The device's compact design ensures portability, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. The Sonos Arc Ultra soundbar is a high-end audio solution that delivers an immersive cinematic experience, whether you're watching TV or listening to music. This soundbar offers a 9.1.4 surround sound setup with Dolby Atmos support, enhancing the depth and clarity of your audio. Equipped with advanced features like voice control, the Arc Ultra seamlessly integrates with your smart home system, allowing for hands-free operation. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element. The Octagon One Plus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. Built for the modern creative, this aluminum keyboard balances striking aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Its sleek, CNC machined aluminum frame brings a refined industrial touch to any workspace. Beneath the surface, RGB backlighting glows smoothly through each key, fully customizable to suit your environment or mood, whether it's focused work or immersive gaming. The NanoLeaf 4 DTV Sync camera and smart addressable gradient light strip kit transforms your viewing space into an immersive lighting experience, designed for home theaters and console gaming. Compatible with TVs and monitors up to 85 inches, this kit integrates seamlessly into your setup, offering an enhanced atmosphere with synchronized lighting that reacts to the action on screen. The included camera tracks your display's content, adjusting the light strip's colors in real time. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. A revolutionary tool that enhances accessibility, the Xbox Adaptive Joystick is crafted to provide an inclusive gaming experience. Specifically designed as a companion for Xbox controllers, it ensures that gamers of all abilities can enjoy seamless gameplay. Its plug-and-play functionality allows users to connect directly to an Xbox console or PC without any complicated setup. Cradled in mid-air, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms.